office call just got over.
So then I just started the stream. So
Yeah, I saw that.
we have a news in.
Okay, it's a good thing that I logged partials at 120 pips in from 1 hour order block.
Nice. I'm setting some few
Yeah.
things. So give me maybe 1 minute. I'll start over.
Yeah, I think your volume is a bit too low.
Okay, let me fix the volume as well. Okay, I increase the audio from my side. And we need to do few things now.
I seriously do not understand. Oh, there's another news coming in. Okay, fair enough. 3 o'clock, half an
Yeah,
hour.
that we are waiting for that only. Nah. So these USD, those numbers are negative, so we don't have to do much. Let me transition the screen to live now. And this trade,
Okay.
if you look around this, we have 1 hour order block. And if we draw Fibo level from this to this, it perfectly tap 61 Fibo retracement, tap
It's
to.
a A plus six. It's a A plus setup for us. Yes. The, I logged my partials at 120 pips. Like almost 90% I've logged it.
Let
I
this
don't know.
candle
It's just
close. If this candle close bullish at this area, then on next candle, we can see how. So this looks buy, on this. So this is a retest. If you stay above this range, we can buy this new all-time high, but depend upon the news. How news come? If news came bad for USD, then you can buy right away and take SL below
okay.
this candle. But if
Yeah.
news came good for USD, then we'll leave this plan. Then we buy around some pivot area or something. But buys are still valid. And this was our morning zone. This we have again right here. And we do have one more zone right here. Let me close this. So bas. Gold. Let's just go to EU. So EU was bullish at the time, then it turned bearish, and then it going down at a couple of things. So ignore EU for now. GU did what we expect him to do from last couple of days. So if we look at this 4 hour in the morning, this was the 4 hour candle. I think we took a buy on EU, not on GU. So this candle, it did some sort of, kind of close some sort of doji, 27 pip SL, and it tapped 65 pip right away. This zone is filled now. That perfect trade in the morning, and this candle have nice volume. Now come to EU. So look at EU right now.
Oh, the area got filled actually. That was nice.
Yeah.
Our idea did work out, but
We were in the
I
wrong
think
pair.
first initial SL was based on 4 hour.
SL was based on 4 hour, but we didn't enter on the
Yeah,
Geo.
we entered on
And
EU, right? Oh yeah.
yeah, so EU dropped. And EU didn't work out the way we supposed it to work, but Geo worked fine. But anyway, what's gone is gone. Leave it. Now move to I close this. Otherwise, I'll be in trouble. And Ethereum, that is a hell of a trade. And what we have, UJ, all the JPR pairs are dropping since morning. This candle, okay, this candle. And then it came down, now it's going up. So leave it. GJ ejected from this zone. We don't have a closer, so most probably we can wait of this zone. Retest 198 and it can drop again. I have so the 100K account, I made 2% in that. So I use that and now we move to the 50K again.
Yeah.
Guys, all we have to do is wait for the next 15 minutes until the news came. And those guys who have funded account and live account, be aware of your news rule. Usually it's
I am
like
not
five.
trading.
Usually it's 5 minutes before and after news you cannot trade. So now look at these PMI numbers. Simple analysis. If it came higher than 49, it's good for USD. So gold can drop, or is lower than 49, it's good for gold. Gold can shoot up. But expect if there is a significant change in numbers, only that scenario gold can drop heavily, or move upside heavily or downside. But if there's a number at
Well,
41.123, I won't expect much of movement.
as in for ADP, the news actually like if ADP's news is actually very bad. Negative 32, as in negative 32 from negative 3. So it's a very bad number still. Gold did opposite.
Yeah, but look at one thing. Uh, what they did was, remember before this news came, the number was 54,000 right here in the place of minus 3K. Number was minus
Oh yeah, it
54,000.
yeah yeah yes exactly. It was
Uh,
54,000.
and then they revised it to minus 3K. So,
Yeah,
how bad the numbers became now. So, my plus 54 to then it came minus 3K. And now it's minus
yeah.
32K. So, these are like next level bad. So, if you count minus 50K minus 2, it's like minus numbers are reduced from minus 80,000, something like that. So, numbers are still bad. So, so plus 54 went to minus 32, basically. So it's a difference of almost 100K numbers.
But
But
still,
still,
if it is a
goals.
difference of 100K numbers, then the gold should actually react accordingly, right? It's not doing that also.
But still, gold came down. And so
Yeah,
now let us, but anyway, gold literally stretched up the lower from last couple of days. And so this was a little retracement we are expecting.
couple of days. I would say couple of months, last 2 months.
Where did my session indicator go?
Were you in that 1 hour order block?
I did some scans.
Okay.
but I only closed 50 pips. So let me change my settings from 9 to 6 on this. So there's the Frankfurt open. Okay, then I need to reduce 1 hour early. Right here, and that's London open. So this gap is Frankfurt to London. Just New York start at, oh, I need to reduce New York as well 1 hour less.
Why for you, New York has not started?
New York started 5:30 my time, right? So that's right. So
5:30 your time? No, right?
1 o'clock your time is 5:30 my time, and then NYC that's 7. So
NYC I'm talking about, yeah, 7 o'clock.
still the numbers came out. Till then, we can analyze more pair, or we can just, okay, let's look at few more pairs. There's BMP as we discussed yesterday, that we came to this critical zone of 4 hour resistance to support. So we have the support, we have resistance before at this area, and now price is respecting this area basically. And I see a channel again. With PAMD, I put an alert. Maybe we do have a breakout, maybe not today, maybe next week. If we do have a breakout, then we can take this trade and target a couple of joints to target. First, the TP would be this, second, we then target this liquidity zone, third, this liquidity zone. So 200 bit range on this.
What happened? You went okay.
Okay, so GPA do you mark? Let's just pick any pair. GJ. Oh, I would be expecting to do, but yeah, just and it can give a breakout. Maybe today there's still time, but one-to-one scalp can happen. CHF. This was some minor channel right here. Mind of this higher channel. So any breakout. So we do have breakout already. Let it retest some bullish candle closer, and then you can target this area again. So that is still a move of 200 pips. Okay. Somebody is questioning my channel skills. Look at right there. This was a channel. This was a fake out. Don't worry about this. If you would have entered on this trade, the entry would be at this area. That didn't happen, so ignore it. Now you do have a breakout at this area. SL would be around this, or safer SL around this, and then the target is this level that got hit.
I will be going on mute for a while, but I'll jump back soon.
Okay.
Yeah, it's actually during news now. I'll try to come back before that.
What happened today? BTC showed up a lot after making this high, came to 78-88% area, then nice move. This was the move 14 till 16. Support, again breakout retest, and then price went to reject from here. Now we have breakout to the upside. So any retest of this area, we can go to take out these highs potentially.
Yeah, I'm back. Hello?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah, came right over for the news. Five, three, two, one. No reaction?
So TMI September 49, risk came 69, mix of data. So this is a slight increment and this is a some decrement. But only thing we can do right at this price action is we can candle. But news, I'm ignoring it. So one news is come positive for USD, this is negative for USD. So kind of mix up data.
Yes.
The only thing we can do for here is safe side. We can buy right around at 75 SL. We can put at 63. That will be 120 SL. Okay, this doesn't look good. Let it play out how it does. Yeah, also still finished. I think that support this decision is that so we do have breakout. We have a retest, hourly close bullish, and then it can continue in the same direction, right? And if we enter currently, then the SL are not fine with it. But if we somehow feel bullish, then we can first we use this candle lower than SLM, then we use this. Okay, so let's put the buy stop on flip of this candle. Let me send you in place, so non interest. So high of this candle is 24. Let's just put at 50.
50. Okay.
75, 50 dollars. And SL we can take currently as this candle low, 63. So let me write this signal.
Okay.
Let me edit this. So we'll run it. Clear the risk as well. I'm going, what do you call it, lower than usual risk
Okay.
because of this US Goldman shutdown thing. And that's the only trade for today. More trade after this.
Yes.
Right?
The 75, no? Entry is at 75.5, right? Seventy-six point 110, yeah. 76.10. Risk 0.5.
It's change in SL as well. So you can use SL as 63.40.
Okay.
But time because we didn't get active yet. And then I need to adjust loads according to, entry according to our spreads and SL. So SL, we adjust to 63.40. So oh, price same rule apply. If we see some, if we take out these highs around 81, we lock half and then reduce our SL to current candle low. So whatever low this candle print around 69, we'll use that.
Okay. Uh,
मुझे बोल रहा है वी एक्टिव मनोज आई एम एक्टिव ब्रो ठीक है भाई कोई नहीं एक्टिव हो तो चलेगा तो ऐसे तो I'm ready बट अभी फ्लिप नहीं मालूम तय करना
If that is the case, it's fine.
Barely, if next candle close come down, then I'll delete this entry and then we see after some time.
So as they say, there's a 5 minute support. 5 minute support. It's
Well, he's back. So how old is moving again? Yeah.
it's in the group only.
Biggest piece of puzzle क्या है अभी अगर ये कह रही है कि यूएस गवर्नमेंट क्लोज हो चुकी है तो ये डेटा कौन रीड कर रहा है
From where?
बट
Yeah,
अगर
that
ऐसा
tells
कुछ है
from where
तो
the
देन
data is coming from, right?
हाँ that is my only concern.
You're still. Are you able to hear a background noise?
Yes. Yesterday you did some magic thing, you reduced it to zero, but now I think it was something
Okay.
again.
Oh, sorry, it is still working. I just want to know if it is still working. Fine.
Now, I don't touch anyone pair before I do some silly mistake.
Fifteen seconds.
Hello, hello. Arun, I can still hear the audio.
Okay. No, I think now it should be less.
It is still about this job, so
The
nothing yet.
that is still my, like, that is the only reason I would still keep the entry. Let's see what let, yeah, let's see what 30 does.
Okay, so this is 1 hour. You can do this. We haven't active yet. Oh,
No,
active yet. So this thing I might need to delete or let's just say, but we save the chart. It is a breakout and retest. To type we reconfigured. Time is at 1 hour. Gold active man. Making these mistakes. Gold was the test. Right.
what? Oh, I am not sure why my headphones is picking up. I need to figure out a way.
Way
I don't
to
know, even
use
I
that
see, issue is that I am not able to hear them. So only you are able to hear them.
some boy, I think background noise
For me, it's
something.
fully noise cancelled, but apparently not for you.
I'm floating up and with your eyes. And look at this. Somewhere, go ahead. Where Sono is famous now.
Yeah, apparently, yes. Like, okay, Suraj knows, and Suraj has met him also, so it's fine.
I just waiting for price to activate us. And if it activate us from here, then we'll reduce our SL to this candle. Not right now. Right now, just wait.
Yeah, I actually thought the 1 hour is flipping full bearish, but see, again,
You just need a closer.
wait more 10 more minutes. Let's wait for the 30 to close.
Yep, there is still very bearish below this zone, so we can cancel this idea.
Yes, it was literally gone good. It's time to create a 100 pip 1 minute candle.
This start from here. Third day.
Yeah,
What? It is 700.
first day
Yesterday,
he shot up way too much. As in, it was too much. Yesterday it shot up and then dropped and then went up again.
yesterday 800. Today it also gave a nice pips, but now it's doing some weird things.
Today overall 400 pips movement did happen. So
तो मनोज भाई आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है बार बार ऐसा हो रहा है क्या लेट्स टेक भाई सबसे पहले एक ही कल्प्रिट है कि
internet.
इंटरनेट पे पहले वो चेक करने दो क्या चल रहा है स्टेटस ये देखता हूँ मैं कुछ है ना अब मैं एक बार फिर से स्ट्रीम चेक करूँगा आज कहीं गड़बड़ हो रहा है तो फिर उसका देखते हैं कुछ
Stream is fine today.
ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि कुछ अजीब सा हो रहा है गोल्ड में भाई ऐसा होता है यूजुअली ऐसा ही होता है ना कंसोलिडेशन थोड़ा रिट्रेसमेंट है ना अपन तो बस ऐसा लग रहा है जब गोल्ड बस घोड़े में सवार है उड़े जाएगा बस रोज की रोज अपन ट्रेड लेंगे चलती रहेंगी ये टाइम भी होता है ये है यूजुअल टाइम आदत हो गई फुल टू एक्शन की ओके ड्रॉप bullish again drop again
Okay, you got. I think that was purely karma coming back to you. What Suraj said right now.
इस पर मैं शॉर्ट फायर कर रहा है इसका इस पे जवाब दिया जाएगा स्ट्रीम्स के बाद स्ट्रीम के बाद
After streams.
तो अभी तो स्क्रीन चेक करी है इसमें अच्छी आ रही है देख
Did you just question the honor of the group? No, 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 no. I won't take it lightly.
सूरज से बच के रहना पड़ेगा। तो भाई तुम ये बात है ना, तुम चैट पे करो, यहाँ पे लोगों को लगेगा भाई क्या ही बात कर रहे हैं लोग।
Exactly. Even they would not understand from where these people are talking, actually.
जरा कैसी स्ट्रीम पे है। सब बोल रहे हैं स्ट्रीम सही है, मतलब सूरज से बदला ले रहा है, रिवेंज।
False allegations as being given.
हाँ ये तो बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है ऐसे टाइम किल करना, तो अपने को करना पड़ेगा। मे बी स्टार्ट विद चेस एंड समथिंग एल्स, देखते हैं बिल्कुल।
Okay.
लेट दिस कैंडिडेट क्लोज। सुबह में फिर से आ गया था क्या? हाँ, 76 से 81 अपना फर्स्ट टीपी रहेगा। आर की टेंशन मत लो, बट लॉजिकल ऐसे मैनेज करना अपने को।
70. Wait. Did you just say 76, 81 would be our first TP?
हाँ ना, तो 76 से एंट्री है, 81 वो भी द फर्स्ट टीपी ना।
Okay,
81
81. Uh-huh. So I
फिर
heard 76, 81 would be our first TP. I'm like, that does not make any sense to me.
this is TP is 81, so that gives 50 pips.
81.
Yeah.
Yeah. After that, let it go where it wants to go.
Which candle show that? This 70 area, we are fine. Anything happen below that, that's the third way.
Okay, finally. And I think it is about to activate us now.
It had that candle, it flipped.
Now, in the next 2 minutes, if heavy bearish candles happens, then also it's a trouble.
Just think fine. So hourly went down, created bottom week, and then now we have to shoot up, that's fine. And if you look at best, you can just draw a flip to this candle. This we do have a 61% retracement effect of this candle. So if this flip candle flips, expect some bullish moment. और जब तक ये ट्रेड चलती रहेंगे अपने को स्क्रीन पे रहना पड़ेगा, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड थिंग। So
Yeah, once this trade gets active, then we can actually just managing the risk. That's next to the things.
protected boys. It's a good thing that we can reduce our SL with this candle. Not right now, just give me some movement. Let this candle active first.
Oh, 75.5, that's what you're thinking.
So reduce to 67, 62, so maybe we can reduce it to 67, 30. Counting spreads. So
Oh, that's what 67.5 you told, right?
The standard is 67.20 once we become active. So,
Yeah, once we become active.
and Vijay would bold that Vijay bhai agar tu active hai to you can close the trade and then put a buy stop again. ऐसा कर सकते
Mhm.
ठीक है व्यवहार तो
Oh, Vijay, how come? Okay.
reaction like that. हमारे सर starting rate to 75-50 की strength and then it before
Okay.
you take entry it short up and then I think Vijay went and very well.
Okay, there are a few people who are active now. Looks like it. I still, I am not active yet.
It's been high. Even if it 115, this was the last 6. It went towards 9 to 6. How maybe do this break then let's be active.
I think now I'm active. How come? Yeah, now I'm active.
Okay, boys, reduce the S and those who got active reduce the S&P 60 sound 130. And anyway, if this can close bearish again, then what do you say? Bearish to will close the trade anyway or reduce the SN. So anyway, the SN will be at 40 week. 40 week. So change the SN. So 63.40. No,
60,
66. My bad. 67.
67.30. Okay, gold rate active. Yes, 67.30. I forgot to make the video for the today morning's trade actually. Are you active? That's not
I didn't take trade on this again.
okay.
I forgot I'm almost at 3%. I don't want to risk 6%. Don't want to risk money today on this bank holiday day, but I'll take trade on some other account. that we just
4,000. Is it? I
happened in
hope
1 month.
it goes. Yeah, exactly. Like that's what I hope it goes to. It goes next month only.
US will not shut down. Otherwise, we
Yeah.
would have our perfect setup. That is 60% retracement. We do have hourly order block plus FEG and the details of this zone, and that would be a nice trade. So if the 90% would give 50 by now. Well, it's so on now that everyone's time need to be taken seriously.
That's our issue. It's fine.
Okay, so that is 81. Okay. It says I've been disconnected. इतना स्लो क्यों चल रहा है भाई? यानी तो मेरे को क्वेश्चन कर रहे 1 मिनट के अंदर मेरे इंटरनेट पे होता है.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I did not see that. I'll come right now.
यानी मेरा तो टाइम से हो रहा है.
Yeah, you can send request.
हैंडल से चल रहा है यार पता नहीं
If
कुछ.
the internet allows you to send request.
I can send it.
Oh, I forgot. What did I do? Oh, okay, fine, actually.
Something over there, my ball. Yeah.
What? Did something happen?
That's done. Then he till that fella for no reason. I have to bring in some cavalry to the back. I win. But no one was defending it.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. My bad. Made a mistake now.
Yeah.
How will I rectify this, Manoj? How will I rectify this?
Well, some players I don't want to know, but that straight after know.
What is this, Manoj?
You?
I thought you were not seeing that for a while.
I see all the things you wrote. What happened? I really can't tell you.
Mm. I
And
cannot
that
tell
is
you anyway.
thank you,
I
guys.
made a small mistake. It was a good game. I made a small mistake. Okay.
We flipped, and we have last 15-minute candle to close this 1 hour candle. But if you look at this, last 3 candles are bullish, and they both made a bottom wick. So there should be no problem shooting up. And this also gave 140, and we do have this 15-minute order lock on top. Maybe just before that. It's too slow.
Okay. What happened right now? Huh. Okay, our SL is about to hit.
But he opened his
Something.
mouth again.
Who opened his mouth?
Is he surviving?
Uh, Barely. I do not know how also, but
But look at this candle. On 1 minute it rejection. 1 minute 100 rejection.
does not make much sense, right? Done. We are gone. Supreme Court refuses to let Trump immediately outs Fed's cook. Okay. The US Supreme Court is to hear arguments over Trump bid to remove Federal Reserve Governor Cook. Okay. I think we can close for the day then. Yeah, in financial usually I saw it. Wow, 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 wow. This is 200 pip as of now. It went down.
Okay. That is enough for today. We do have enough losses already. One in London, one in NY, one was just a break-even trade. Hardly one reversal. So the market down.
Even with our original SL, we would have hit our SL. But yeah, it was good to reduce our SL, so we managed
So
risk nicely.
we saved 30 pips, 40 pips. We had a lower than how big of the SL was. So we had 76, SL was 67.30. So 87 pips.
Yeah.
Yes. That is it, boys. Today is not our day. And we'll come back tomorrow.
Stream ended.
Yes.
Yeah, most probably. If you are entering again,
Enough
enough
for
or
today.
call, let me know. Okay. In between only. In between